Namaste Earthlings, this is AB and you're watching Second Impression. Today we're going to be unboxing a budget mic that I ordered from Amazon. Now, why a budget mic? Well, you could be a YouTuber who's just started and you don't have all the investments to make. Or you could be a journalist and you just need a basic mic to do your recording. Or you could simply be making videos for fun. Let's open it. Here's the packet. This is the small budget mic. Now it's the Boya M1 lavalier mic. Okay, there are some paperwork. The mic comes in a soft leatherette pouch. It's not actual leather, but a leather-like material. It's good. I don't like leather materials. Now, here is the mic. This is the mic. Yeah. This is the speaker end of the mic. This is where your battery goes in, the connector, and the cable. The best thing about this mic is the cable. It is 20 feet long. That's over 6 meters of length. In a way, it's a really good thing because at times you do need to be far away from your camera. So if you're speaking to your camera from a distance, your voice would hardly be heard. So those are times when a really long cable would come in really handy. Now obviously there are alternatives. You can go in with wireless microphones, but again those are high-end mics. It's gonna cost you a lot more than this. This is the entire package. There's the leatherette pouch. Do we have anything else inside? Nah. If you want to use the mic with something big, let's say an amplifier, there's the 1x4-inch adapter that is included in the package. You simply have to plug in the 3.5mm connector and you're good to go. Then there's the clip that you need to hook up at the base of the mic, and there's the foam windscreen that will help you not pick up wind in your audio if you are in a windy place. Now this definitely is not close to doing a job as good as the dead cat windscreen, but it's some help nonetheless. You simply have to place it over the tip of the mic once and it stays there forever, unless of course someone pulls it out. This part of the mic is called the power pack, and this is where you insert the battery. So you open it up and this is where the battery goes in. So I have managed to place the battery inside. Now you will see there's a switch that can either be kept at camera or off/smartphone mode. By default, the switch will be at off/smartphone mode because this is the mode at which the mic is off and also does not consume power. This is also the mode you will keep it at if you are using the Boya mic to record audio in your smartphone or your laptop. Now you will have to slide it up to the camera mode if you are using the mic to record audio in your SLR or DSLR or your mirrorless cameras. But this is also the mode at which your mic will be consuming power. Then there's this 20 feet long wire that you can do whatever with. Now this is the kind of audio quality you get with the inbuilt mic in my recording device. And this is the audio coming in from the Boya mic. Boya M1, check. So as you can see, you can neatly clip this mic on your collar and the wire can be neatly tucked under your cloth
I have the wire running down under my t-shirt and it's hardly noticeable. The only thing visible will be the neat little mic peeping out of your collar. You can also clip it on your tie and the lapel of your jacket or your coat. In fact, that's the whole reason why it's called the lapel mic. Clip it on the lapel. Now this mic cost me 1175 rupees. I'm gonna put the link below. Now there have been instances where people bought this mic but it did not work with the smartphone. The reason could be their inbuilt or the default camera app in their smartphone does not allow recording through an external mic. So in such cases, what you could do is use a third-party app. Now the best app I can think of at the moment is the Open Camera app. It's free and you can easily download it from Play Store. The best thing about this app is it allows you to record audio through external mic also. You just have to go to the video settings and then audio settings, inside which you have the external mic option. Now, even after that it does not work, then you're gonna have to send it back to whoever you bought it from and ask for a replacement. In fact, that is what happened to me precisely. This is my second Boya mic. Now the first one that I got was also from Amazon. However, that was a broken piece. I tried everything. I tried using Open Camera app and I tried all that there was to do, but it did not work. So I sent it back and asked them for a replacement. When this came, I tried it with the Open Camera app and the results are there. You're listening to me right now. So that's it for now. Share if you liked it. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button and I'm gonna see you in the next one.